Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send voice messages on iPhone 16e. To send voice messages, just go to the Messages app, then start texting someone. And now click on plus. Then click on audio and it'll start recording. And surprisingly, I think it uses this microphone here somewhere at the top, not at the bottom. So that's a bit weird because other apps use the bottom microphone. But yeah, so if you want to direct your speech, direct it into that top microphone. And when you're done with your voice message, just click on pause. Now you can listen to it and it'll start or you can send it right away. And at first the message will be left for 2 minutes after listening to it, or if you are the sender of the message, then 2 minutes after sending the message. But if you click on keep, then the message will be kept until you delete it. And here you can see I have received the message. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.